National Express have a double-decker in Germany. Arrived at Cologne, Bonn Airport, Flughafen, flying back to London Heathrow. Looks like I'm the first on. There's nobody behind me.
I don't think my words.
It's cancelled because of the weather. And also in the morning as well, look. That's cancelled. Which is the one with the technical issues. Well, I'm actually on a ferry now. It's 8 minutes past 12. And yeah, I've got work in the morning, so I've got to go to East Cowes. All because the Red Jet was cancelled due to bad weather. The waves are too high, it can't sail. And they didn't report that on the website, so I'm going to have to complain about that. So yeah, I get to East Cowes and I've got to get a taxi all the way down to Newport and then back up to Cowes. So great, that's going to cost me a few quid. Excellent. Finally home. It's 10 past 2 in the morning. I've got to get up at 6. So that was a bit of a waste of time. Next time, plan a bigger buffer for the ferries. Good night.